video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make like horns on a headband for cosplay. So the reason I'm doing this is because one, I from getting into my Misha Romano cosplay, the wig and stuff, and I didn't feel like filming, so I need a video for this week. And two, I'm cosplaying Power because I realised I've except her horns, and what I'm gonna do is, this isn't really like a tutorial, mostly because I have no idea what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna make some horns and like touch them off. I actually use this for my wig headband. But the fabric, like I used to tie the bow on top of it, came off. I can just make it again if I ever need it because it's really easy to make. I won't be making a video on if I ever make that again though, mostly because it requires sewing and I'm not good at sewing. But here's the base headband. I probably should have used something clear, but clear headbands this one for ages and it will probably just be fine. So yeah, if anyone is trying to make this, then probably just use the clear headband. And what else am I going to be using? Okay, so I have this paper bag from Christmas, and then it's not really paper, it's like cardboard. I like triangles, and I'm going to attach it on by putting paper over it and folding it over the headband. I'll explain. First of all, I need to cut the horns out of this bag, and I need like a pencil and some scissors for that. So let me go downstairs. Okay, so I'm downstairs on this table. Oh my gosh, filming like this brings me back to when I was like 6 and I used to film at this table and I was so short. That was so funny. Okay, so I have scissors, pencil. There's a part of it. Okay, so here it is. The door, because my dad is talking. But I'm gonna draw it in the back, and I'm gonna probably look at a reference image to remember what they look like. I know that they're basically just little triangles. So I've got lots of options in this video. But okay, so I'm gonna start by like sketching out 2 triangles. Again, they don't have to be like perfect or anything, but just make them around the shape, like considering the headband that you want it to be. I know you can't really see since I'm doing it very lightly on pencil, but oh well. And then do that. Okay, they aren't exactly symmetrical. Like they're not that symmetrical at all, but it is okay. It's acceptable. But there's always more cardboard. I'm gonna cut them out. Okay. Parts of the card are sort of like for it to cut, but if I cover the edges with paper, it should. No, it's not. Okay. Attempt to. Oh no! Ooh. It's working. Okay, I'm just gonna have to go with it because this card is very confusing. But again, hopefully if you're doing this, then you know how to cut things better than I do, because apparently I'm incapable of cutting anything. Boom. I've got hopefully better scissors. We have so many scissors in our house, and I don't even know how many of them go, but it's really not many. I would use my little scissors that I use for like sewing and stuff. but unfortunately I don't know where they are. Ooh, these are good. Okay. These are good. There we go. They're not that big, to be honest. I would like them to be a bit bigger. Like, when you look on here, you probably, they won't stick out as much. Oh, never mind, never mind. Okay, so, problem is going to be attaching them to the headband, because the headband is not the same shape as the horns are. So I kind of want them to sit like this, because that's how hers sit. So I'm gonna need to do something magical called adjusting. Okay. And then they should have little indents in them so that I might regret this in a minute. There we go. They sit better up right now. Like these little indents in them according to the way this goes. So I should be able to attach them easier now. But you may notice the back of them are white, so we're going to fix that with paper. Okay, I got a piece of origami paper because it's just, like, I have tons of it, and the red is also pretty similar. You can kind of tell the differences, but oh well. So, I'll trace these shapes onto here, and I can stick them on. And now I've got these. I'm going to cut it out, and then I'll try and stick them on. But, okay, wait. I'm going to leave some space beneath them. This might sound very strange, actually, but when I cut them out. So now they've got these little rectangles beneath them. I'll cut them out, actually. And sorry, I'm leaning down. It's just, like, way more comfortable here, but you'll have to look at my face. Okay, and then I'm gonna try and fold it over, matching to the best of my ability, like that, and then like that. Okay, and then they should, depending on how badly I cut them, be able to go over this. Okay. Let me see which one this fits better. So that definitely doesn't? Yes, it does. Okay, so I've done this one the wrong way around. That's so annoying. I may just have to swap them around. I may just have to do that, because that is not so bad. So I'm going to attach it with this magic stuff I've recently discovered called Mod Podge. I've never used it on something like this before. I tried to put it on a painting once to, like, seal it in, but it was watercolor, so it kind of, like, smudged the whole entire painting. Not pleasant. This weird layer on top of the... Okay, so I don't know how you're supposed to apply Mod Podge, but we're gonna try. There we go. I've just ruined this paintbrush, but oh well. And then I will get this and I will stick it on to the origami paper. There we go. I'll cut around the edges in a minute to make them look better. This paintbrush is definitely ruined. Okay, and then this definitely, yeah, so I keep saying defo. Definitely smells like glue, definitely. I'm just gonna wipe this off real quick. I don't want to, like, permanent thing right next to me with the amount of glue I have right now. I feel like this is dangerous, so it's good. This is the part where I say this is really not a tutorial anymore. This is like maybe don't do this at home. I feel like you'll ruin like half the stuff you're going if you try and do this. Oh, the glue, it will dry. Okay. So. There we go. No. Let's pretend I just didn't get Mod Podge everywhere. Okay. Down. Does Mod Podge dry clear? Yes, it does. Okay. Phew. So we don't have much to worry about, but basically, here they are so far. They're not even that good, but like, oh no, not mine. They're gonna go like this. I'm pretty sure. No, like this. Okay, yes. So what I'm gonna do is like this, and then I will hopefully try and glue them on. No, not like that. This is certainly an experience. Like this. Okay, but then they tilt backwards. Oh, it's just so annoying. I'm gonna give them a minute to dry. Okay, I figured out a solution. So, I've attached a little piece of paper at the bottom, another one, so that it will stick around it. So I can hopefully do it like this. And then like this. And then I'll just wrap this around here. But like better than that, because obviously. And then I can attach them where I want them, which will probably be like here. So that is the plan. I'll just fold that there so it'll stay in place. I've done the same thing to the other horn. I'm just waiting for like a bit more. Me adding more because otherwise it will fall apart. And I really need these to stay together because I want this cosplay to look kind of cute, because the wig will be slightly, tiny bit different like colour. Because I don't know if you guys realize, but when I say I have a thing, I just mean I'm gonna reuse my me wig and then me wig and then wear my Mackie cosplay with a blue hoodie over it. Also, I haven't done a Benny video on this channel. Benny was like one of my pretty early on cosplays actually. I should film chainsaw man videos. Yeah, if you're one of my friends and you're seeing this, I make sure she was dressed up as a chainsaw man. Sorry about the random videos and random ranting in said videos. I'll probably get into power cosplay at the end of this so that it's not just like a random making forms for a random cosplay video. Okay, so. No. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now I need to apply Mod Podge. That's a lot. Okay, and then I'm just gonna. Oh, I've just got it on the scissors. Oh well. Guys, I'm making such a mess. Ooh, there it goes on the table again. Okay. Now I've established where I want it. I'm just gonna. Okay. Boom. We've done one. I can always cut them down in a minute if I don't like the size. They look like a mess from the back, so I may end up painting them again. And the sides don't have much support. Okay. I'm gonna do the other one off camera. It's gonna get repetitive, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've made the horns. They're now attached on. My plan eventually did work out in the end. I kind of knew what I was doing, kind of didn't, but her horns, they go like inward. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm gonna cut them in once the Mod Podge is dry. Mod Podge probably takes forever to dry, to be fair, but I'll just like blow dry it or something and hope that the Mod Podge will dry quicker. It looks kind of ugly from the back, but again, I'll paint over it at some point when I have more time, like probably during the week when I'm not actually cosplaying anyone actively. But like I'm really happy with how they've turned out so far. I know that the headband will be visible and her ears are like actually like 3D and like pointed at the top. I'll buy them when I like have the time, or like I'm not bothered to wait for shipping times today though. I just kind of want to cosplay. Oh my gosh! Ah! Sorry about that. I just wanted to cosplay Power for the funsies. Oh, that really hurt. Okay. Anyway, I will be back when the Mod Podge is dry and I will start cutting it up, and then I'll do like a reveal of the actual Power cosplay. Okay, I'm back, and the Mod Podge should be dry now. I kind of scared myself because I looked at the bottle, like, and it said it takes 4 weeks for it to cure, and I was not waiting 4 weeks. But then I googled it, and turns out it needs like 20 minutes to actually like harden, mostly. And it's been like half an hour, and I've got to say, it's still kind of soggy. You can see it here, like. But I feel like I'd be okay with putting this on my head. So also I redid my cosplay makeup. This time it's for Power. I didn't really know what kind of makeup to do for her, so I just kind of did what I do for Miyu. Because I had my Misa cosplay makeup on, and it's quite different, so I just like went over it a bit more. But okay. There they are. They're actually really cute. I kind of really like them. I may put some more cardboard on the back. Otherwise they kind of like wobble around whenever I touch them. And I'm gonna cut them a bit so that they go inwards. So let me just do that. I don't want to touch them too much because I'm worried that they will fall off any minute. It does shorten the horns, like you can do it shorter. But I do want it to look a bit closer to canon at least. Okay. There we go. And oh my gosh, golly, it still kind of like needs a bit more structure in some places, but I'm pretty happy with these. So I'm gonna try and put my Power cosplay on, and hopefully I don't like miserably fail and I can't find the correct hoodie or whatever. So also I know her eyes are like yellow and stuff. I'm not wearing contacts. We can just pretend. Anyway, I'm gonna go put the Power cosplay on, and including these, and then you guys can see the final results. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. You can see the ones on here, my Power cosplay. I don't have the exact right colour for these, but I think it's good enough. And I haven't finished watching Chainsaw Man yet. I stopped watching it for some reason, but I do basically know what happens in the end. Mostly because random people on TikTok spoiled the entire series for me. Thanks TikTok. Anyways, have you guys seen Chainsaw Man? I'm really curious if my audience have seen it, because I have a lot of Chainsaw Man cosplays and I find it really interesting, like the manga and the show. It's amazing. Anyway, back to what I was saying. It's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of tutorial, but also not tutorial, but also something to cosplay at least, because I need to upload cosplay videos. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment any constructive criticism. Oh, and thank you so much everyone for 300 subscribers. I made a video about us being 5 subs away from 300, and immediately it got like 300 views, and I got 302 subscribers. It's a huge milestone. I'm thanking you guys so much. I am so grateful for all of the comments and likes and everything I've been getting on my channel lately. It really means a lot, and hopefully I'll record a Meet Money Get Ready With Me at some point, so expect to see that in the next couple of weeks. Anyway guys, please comment something down below. It really helps with the algorithm, and subscribe. Anyway, I'm so grateful for you all. Thank you, and bye bye.